Good morning, good morning. Happy Monday. Manuel, Greg Hill, Samurai. Bink and Blues, none. Welcome in. Good morning, good morning. Hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Welcome back. Happy New Year, January 6th, 2025. Oh my goodness, what a time to be alive. None. Richie C. Good morning, good morning. Scott, Biking, Richie C, Chris, Kali, Ace, welcome back. Sonu, Ash. Let me turn this down a little bit. Where's it at? There we go. Hold on one second. Well, I'm gonna have to do this later. Well, all right, whatever. We're just gonna submit a general ticket. Be careful. Having some issues with NinjaTrader or Apex, I mean, or Trade of 8. None of my trades are showing up as profit. Good morning, Ray. Hello. Trusty, good morning. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, Kali Kamara. Are you in Boward Trash Talker Mask? Don Dada, the guy for AI. Cool Clips. Welcome in. Good morning. Good morning. Just a weird morning. Abdullah, good morning over there on YouTube. Hello. How are you? Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly Bean, welcome in. Sorry about the silence, but I'm here. I'm back. I was trying to submit a help desk ticket for Apex. Just weird. It would show that I was in a trade, but then it would even show moving on my unrealized profit. But then when I closed out the trade in the green, it would not carry over to the gross realized profit. So I lost out. I don't know what's going on, but hopefully they will fix it. Felix Alexandru, welcome in. Good morning. Good morning. We are ES new range. I had to close out gold. Had to close out NQ early 1 for 1, NQ high 5 1 for 1, NQ new 1 for 1. All types of stuff was green today. Just strange. Another strange day in the life of trading here. Mauricio B, good morning. How was everybody's weekend? I'm snowed in over here. Snowmageddon. We got about, I think, 8 to 10 inches of snow yesterday. It feels like 8 degrees. It's freezing cold. Welcome in, though, guys. Thank you for being here. All I ask is you keep tapping that screen, if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out. Good morning. It is Monday morning. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I am your host. We are live trading the futures market using BoldBot. Remember, if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Jets, Mike, Mauricio, Miguelito, Gregory Trejo, welcome in. Thank you for being here. This has just been a weird Monday morning on the market for sure. Weird Monday morning on the markets for sure. Just be careful. Watch your stuff. Might be some weird issues going on. Hopefully they figure it out and give me my my wins. I don't know. There was 2 trades I took that took wins that should have been posted on my accounts. Welcome in. Good morning. It is the Swag Show. What do you know? We're back. We're live. It's a new year, a new day. A new week, new opportunities arise. Freezing cold. I love that the Bears beat the Packers this week, even though it screwed themselves out of a better draft position probably, but that's all right. Just another weird issue day in the life of your boy. I hope nobody else had issues, but from what I'm seeing on the chatter boxes, it's not just me, so be careful. Don't know if it's NinjaTrader or Apex Trade of 8 connection issues. Something's going on, though. But I had 2 manual trades that should have been $200 more added to my accounts, and of course they did not show up for some reason, so that's always fun. Oliver Twist, welcome in. Good morning, Mike. That Crypto Babe, welcome in. How much snow did you get? About 8 to 10 inches, I think. It looked more like 10 to 12. I don't know. On the driveway this morning pulling out. But they said it was between 8 and 10 inches. And it's still freezing cold. It says it feels like 8 degrees. What about you over there in our neighboring northern state? Did you guys get much? 10:45, candle opens. I can't even take any more trades, so that's good. Not with these connection. Might get an inch down here. I had to flatten everything and reset. So, freezing here in Florida, 73. That's just wrong. That's just wrong, Crypto Babe. Why you gotta rub it in like that? Laduna, good morning. Welcome in. How are you? Clear sky and a balmy 4 degrees above. Yeah, it's freezing. It feels like 8 degrees here, I think is what it says. With the wind chill factor. Let me see. What's it say? Oh, it went up. Sorry. It says it feels like 9. Feels like 9 degrees now. Balmy. It's a balmy 9 degrees Fahrenheit. Santa's in a trade. Here we go. We got some action finally. Let's show you some Santa action. See if he's going to do anything on this drop. Janet Grigsby. Hello. Shorts weather. Quiet, Ray. Down there in Texas. Crypto Bay rubbing it in Florida. It's 73. I could only wish. I'd take 73 every day. There's a nice little drop. Let's see if Santa will lock in some profit here. A year ago, you had a blizzard and minus 50 below. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah. You're bundled up. You would freeze then if you came up here. 73 is not bundle up. 73 is shorts and a t-shirt. Go lay out in the sun. No, it's standard. Santa is standard. You just have to ask for it, but you got to be careful because it can take a lot of trades and take a lot of losses in a row. That's why we don't promote using it for new members until they understand how it works and can manually take the profit, because right there it was green like $120. You could have moved your stop loss and just been done. Instead, it ended up losing 200. So you got to understand and be careful how that one works. This is NQ prop. It is a premium one. So we'll see. But gold was winning, silver was winning, NQ high 5 was 1 for 1 for 200, NQ early was 1 for 1 for 100, NQ new range 1 for 1 for 350. So that's about $1,000. I don't know, 600 plus another. Yeah, it's almost $1,000 on the 3-4 standard algorithms this morning if you ran all of those, old ones, new ones. NQ early kind of got taken away because it was too much risk to reward, even though it had a high win percentage. So I still run it in testing. Are there any deals on Tradeify going on right now? Only 30%. They dropped it. They dropped it down to 30% off on simulated straight to funded. I mean, I don't think there's anything else new going on with them. They did send me a nice little gift in the mail, though. Had some chocolates and some chocolate caramels and a salted peanuts and a nice pen and a little gift box. So that was nice of them. Good morning, Saturn Riders. Miguel. Hello, hello. P2P, welcome back. Can't believe she had the nerve to say she's bundled up. Crypto, babe, I am going to... Me and you gonna have words. I'm just playing. It's freezing. It's freezing where I'm at. 73 is, like I said, shorts and a t-shirt. I'll get in the pool. I'll get in the pool at 73. Santa took another trade there. Green, $75 on that one. It did lock in profit, but it took 2 losses right before that. So like I said, you got to be careful. He does take a lot of trades. NQ London Waves overnight was green, $600. NQ Prop, what you're watching on the right, is green, $800 on the day. You don't do well with the cold? Yeah, me neither. I don't like it. I don't know why I'm still here. Oh, yes, I do. I forgot. I have kids and an ex-wife. And my mom and my sister still live here, so I couldn't move away from my kids. Unless something was to happen to my ex-wife. I'm just saying. Not wishing anything. No ill will. That's not what I'm saying. Nightwalker, TJ, up yours. Okay. When do you think Apex will do another 80 or 90% sale? Not for a while. They just had their biggest one of the year to start off the year. 90% off any size account, 85% activation fee, so it'll probably be a while. They might do a 71% here in a couple of weeks. That's normally what they do next. But as far as an 80 or 90% off, who knows? Probably not for a while. Because what they do is they get so backlogged and overloaded with all the people that buy the 90% off that they have to focus all their manpower on all these people that are either blowing and resetting or buying new when they did have the sale, and then passing the evals, switching them over to PAs. And then once all that calms down, then they can offer another sale. But my guess is you won't see anything for at least 2 weeks. Who ended up winning the Detroit Minnesota game? Does anybody know? Marvin Dukes, welcome in. I was watching it, but then my kids wanted to watch a movie, so I had to turn it off and turn a movie on for them. I didn't see who ended up winning. Ow. The Lions won. They're tough, man. They are tough. I'm just glad the Bears beat the Packers. It's the first time in many years. The twins just turned 6, and my oldest is 8.5. So I got 3 boys. And they're a handful, let me tell you. Especially when it's freezing cold outside and they're stuck in the house. I let them go out for a little bit, but they didn't last very long. It was in the middle of the blizzard. Your twins are 9? Nice, Ray. I didn't know you had twins. Are they boys, girls, or one of each? Mine are identical twin opposite boys. Boys, nice. That's what mine are. Mere opposite identical twins. Marvin Duke said we up in here, Detroit, probably going to the Super Bowl in my opinion. Yours are fraternal. Nice. Marvin Dukes probably taking his Lions all the way to the Super Bowl. That's just my opinion. I don't know if anybody can stop them. Did they say Hutchinson would be able to come back for the playoffs? Or is he done for the year? I thought they said he was done for the year, but if they got him back for the playoffs, I don't think they could. If he's fully healed anyway and back to 100%, but that was a bad injury. Snapped his leg like a twig. But I liked him. I liked Aiden Hutchinson. He's a good dude. Good player. Good attitude. Hopefully he can make a full recovery and come back. But yeah, I think the Lions might go all the way to the Super Bowl. And it's going to be either Buffalo or Kansas City, obviously, in my opinion. Hey. Yeah, I think they're going to probably go all the way. The Lions in the Super Bowl and either the Buffalo Bills or the Chiefs or maybe even the Ravens if they can pull it out. So we'll see who. But from the NFC, I think the Lions will probably pull it out. They just look too good. Well, good morning. Hello. It is the Swag Show. It is slow today. Not a lot of viewers yet. I don't know where everybody's at. They must be snowed in or sleeping in because of the snow. We got NQ new was 1 for 1 for 350. NQ high five 1 for 1 for 200. We got ES new was in a trade. I had to flatten. NQ London Waves overnight made $600. NQ prop, what you're watching on the right's green, like 800 so far on the day. So thank you guys for being here, tuning in. If you didn't know, this is the Swag Show. You were watching. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. It is $500 for the first 21 days, $1,000 a month after that for the standard algos. Otherwise, it's $1,500 for the premium algorithms. We do have a digital mentorship that can teach you how to manually trade, as well as standard and premium manual alerts. So email us if you're interested in all that. Lions versus the Chiefs for the Super Bowl? Maybe. I just want to see somebody else besides the Chiefs. I'd like to see somebody else besides the Chiefs. If Taylor Swift is going to be there, just let her be performing at halftime. I don't need to see her in the stands every 10 minutes. Not a lot of activity here. It's kind of gone sideways on NQ. Consolidating at 11 o'clock already. There was a big move up overnight, and then it went sideways for quite a while. Then it kind of moved up, what is that? 150 points, 100 points, something like that this morning. And now it's just kind of been sideways and slow. You're just glad the Cowboys are out. But don't you live in Texas? Are you a Texans fan instead of a Cowboys fan, Ray? We were supposed to go, but with all the snow and all that, you never know. We didn't want to risk the biscuit. Santa in another trade. He's in a short here at 21,864. We'll see if he can make any money here for us. Riders yelling sell. We'll see if it can drop here. Just been kind of sideways. Not been moving any way but sideways. So it can go up, it can go down, or it can go sideways. And when it moves sideways, it's very difficult to trade and make money, in my opinion. Some people love it. Some people play the range really well. But it's very, very difficult at sometimes to figure out where that range is at in time to make the moves and make some money off of it. But we'll see if it wants to drop here. Drop, 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 drop. Everybody. Vizzy short. NQ mid. is in a trade now. I turned it off because I was having connection issues, but it looks like it just entered a trade. Visual Shorts in a trade and Santa's in a trade. Let's see, what is mid doing? Mid is actually in a long. Well, that's nice. Well, at least mid's in a long and everything else is in a short. Santa got stopped out, so this is prop. See if I can show you. Mid. This is NQ mid. I know I'm ugly lines here. There we go. This is one of the standard algorithms. It's called NQ mid. Burberry, welcome in. Good morning. Of course, I turned it off because I was having connection issues. So I'm not in this trade live, unfortunately, because I would have loved to have been in this trade. But that's what happens some days. Hey, Sam, hello, good morning. $310 now. $340 or $350 was the high water mark. In BoldBot we trust, right? That's the saying. We got to just let it do its thing. Nothing wrong with taking profit, especially if you're on minis and building up a buffer. Let's see if we can make it a little bigger here. $410 now was the high water mark from what I just saw. What's your TP on this? It is $1,000. One-to-one risk to reward on this one. 200 ticks times 5 is 1,000. So yeah, $1,000. Right? Or am I wrong? I'm wrong. It's 50. 50 points. No, I'm right. It's 1,000. I don't know. My brain hurts. I got a headache. Can't do math today. So Ace, I'm sorry. It is $1,000 take profit though. Pretty sure. I don't know. Don't quote me. my brain hurts. I'm going crazy. All right, so 21,870 to 21,920. So that's 50 points. 50 times 20 is 1,000. So yeah, $1,000. Man, math hurts my brain this morning. I got a headache. But like I said, you trust in the algorithm, you let it do its thing, or you can always move, not really supposed to, but nobody's saying you can't either. Having a hard time getting over 21,890. Seems to be a battle going on at that level there. Let's keep getting the likes up here. Keep tapping that screen. You could take profit whenever you want, right? You don't have to wait for it. Correct. Yes, if you wanted to move the stop loss up, you can. Totally up to you, but if you just have faith in the algorithm, you're supposed to let it run its course, but you don't have to if you want to take profit, especially if you're on live money cash account or something and you're running a mini and you're up 250, 300, 400 for the day, no reason why you shouldn't just shut it off. Take your profit and be done. If I was running it on my live still, if I didn't have that hiccup earlier, I would have shut it off as well, especially to stay within consistency rules. Yeah. Right there, I would have moved my stop loss up and right around 221,888 and locked it in. $500 now, new high water mark, halfway to our goal. But that 21,900 level is going to be tough to get through. So, did anybody else have issues today with like Tradeovate connection through Apex, or is it just me? Was I the only one that had issues besides like Jen and Irma? Just Friday you had issues? I took a manual trade and it showed up and I could see the numbers moving. Had one weird trade but didn't register actually today. Yeah, see, that's how mine was too. That's exactly what happened to mine. I could see it moving under the unrealized P&L, but then when it closed the trade out, it didn't show up in my overall profit. The issue I sent you with you're talking about crypto with the account balance not being updated on Tradeify's website. Like I said, I think that might happen at the end of the day. They update that on their website. I don't think it's a live update. But if you go into your actual Tradeovate account through the Tradeovate website, it might show up on there what your live account is. That's what I should check, honestly. I should check on my Tradeovate website if it updated my account. And see what happened. No, I guess it didn't update on there either. Shows the same thing, so I don't know. That's weird. Weird issues. But hopefully they fix it. Okay, so yeah, it did update on the Tradeovate website, but the Tradeify website, like I said, I think it's end of the day when it updates its overall profit and loss status. So don't worry about it. You're all good. What's not good is the 2 winning manual trades that I took not showing up on my accounts, because that's like $400 that I'm missing out. So how can I see how each product did instead of the overall? There is a way to do that. You can go to tools, no, new, and then trade performance. Go to new and then trade performance, and then you can filter by the little filter thing, and then you just go to each strategy, and then you put in the date, and you hit generate, and it'll show you. So yeah, that's how you do that. So new, and then trade performance, and then filter it by strategy, and then pick the date that you want to see, and then hit generate, and it should show you how it did that day. Or if you have your sim account set up, you should just be able to look at your sim account for that strategy, and it should show you what it's done for the day. Like on mine, I have a sim account for each strategy that I run, and then I use that as my leader and copy it from there. So strange, crazy days. I wish I could take a trade, but that's okay. We're going to end the day green and not stress about it, and we'll come back tomorrow, and hopefully they fix their shit. Fix their connection issues, because I missed out on almost $400 worth of manual trades that did not populate even in my NinjaTrader account, which is weird, because that runs off of live NinjaTrader data, so I don't know what the hell's going on. Weird shiznit. I wonder if I could put in a NinjaTrader ticket. And now we're down 70 bucks. So see that? You could have been up 400 and just moved the stop loss and taken it. But that's the thing about swagging. You either got to step away and trust it 100%, or if you want to monitor it, take your profits, especially when you're up 400 bucks if it was on one mini account. Keep tapping that screen. Keep asking questions. Keep interacting. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging in there. I'm going to hop on this. And now look, it popped right back up. So it just came to test that level right here at 63, 64, and now it popped and shot right back up, and we're in the green 140. So if I coulda, woulda, shoulda, there are 3 people waiting ahead of me on the NinjaTrader support. So I'm guessing that there's a lot of people that are having issues today. We'll see what they say. Would have had my 400. Yeah, me too. I would have been at my goal if those trades would have showed up, but for some reason they're not showing up on my live results. But not a big deal. We're going to figure it out together. We will figure it out together. I am on hold with the NinjaTrader support. So they're trying to connect me to a live assistant. See that? Look at that. Now we're popping right back up. That was the pullback we wanted to see. Now we need to see a big green candle, a strong green candle here to move back up and over this 21,900 level. At 21,890 level is hard for it to get through, it looks like, as well. But if it can bust through that, and then it should be able to get up to the 21,900, and we'll see if it can break through that. But Dub, what up, Dub? Big Dub in the house. 325, 340, 345. Hanging right around there trying to bust through this 21,890 level. We'll see what happens. Now there's only 2 people ahead of me instead of 3. So we'll see what they say over here at NinjaTrader support. Maybe they can tell me what's going on. This is NQ mid. It is one of the standard algorithms that is part of the MicroStrategy game plan. Santa's in a trade. Let me pull that up for the people on YouTube so you can see 2 and 1 on Monday. Normally I don't do that, but that's okay. Ain't got nothing better to do. Ain't got nothing better to do but to sit here with you fine folks. Santa's in a short. Three. The 21,870 level is now acting as support. Maybe. We'll see. if it can bounce off of that and continue up here for NQ mid. Santa actually got in a short at 21,873. It's green. $90 is a high mark, but if you wanted to make 40 or 50 bucks real quick, you can zoom in on him and move his stop loss and lock in 40 or 50 bucks at a time. Nothing wrong with that. You do that 4 or 5 times and you've got your daily goal. Which bot am I showing? On TikTok, it is NQ mid. On YouTube, I'm showing Santa and NQ mid. But on TikTok right now, it's NQ mid. On the standard micro strategy game plan. God, I cannot talk. I still got a headache. I don't know why. Probably screaming kids all weekend. All right, Santa locked in $75 worth of profit. So we'll see how far down he wants to run this thing. Could just come right to that 21,864 level again and then bounce, and that's what it looked like it just did. So Santa made 75 on that trade. He's down on the day, but all it takes is one big run this afternoon, so she probably does. I wouldn't put it past her, Ray, honestly. Which is not good because I don't need any bad mojo. I don't wish anything ill will upon her. Oh, here we go. Hot soup. We're in the NinjaTrader support. Hello. Thank you for using NinjaTrader. My name is Anna. How can I help you? I took 2 manual trades and the results did not show up on my account balance, but it was showing the unrealized P&L when I was in a trade, and I closed them both with a positive result. Can you please look into this? Thanks. Right, don't put that on me. I don't need her to have no voodoo doll on me. She's one of those that I wouldn't put it past her if she did, honestly. But I ain't wishing no ill will upon her. I want her to, be happy, be successful, be healthy for my boys' sake. Cheeto, thank you for the share. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. We're under 2,000 likes. That's odd. We're an hour into the show, guys. Come on. You can do better. It's just a little finger exercise. Trust me. I think I got, what do they call that? Trigger finger on one of my fingers. I don't know from what, but it's like where the joint just pops your finger out. You can't, it's hard to open slowly. It just kind of pops it out. Weird. Anyway, hot soup, here we go. NinjaTrader support is on the case. We'll see what they say about it. Back into the green over here on NQ mid. Green 280, 300, 315. We'll see if we can finally get this push up and over 21,890. You have that as well, Ray? It's weird, isn't it? It just feels weird, like when it just pops open like that. I'm like, what the hell? What is that from? Too many video games, I guess, or something. I don't know. Do you have the order ID numbers? Where the hell do I find that at? Sure. Oops. Wrong way. Let's see if it'll work. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Later just got into a trade. Mine locks in the closed position. Oh, yeah, that's weird, right? Yeah, mine will just like snap out of it. It's weird. It'll like pop. How come I cannot just copy and screenshot all these damn numbers? That's what I want to know. Bunch of bullshit. We got mid in a trade. We got later in a trade. We got NQ day waves in a trade. We got NinjaTrader support only saying that they can help me with the cash account. Oh, boy. So here we are. Anyway, we're back. We're live. It is 11:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Up and down and up and down, just sideways consolidation. Nothing new at 11:30 on a Monday. Nothing new on a Monday. On YouTube, Carlos, yes. Right now, this is NQ mid on TikTok that I'm showing. Burberry, what happened? What's going on? Talk to me. What's happening? Later? Oh, you're in. You must be in later. You must be in the later trade. That's why you said that. Have faith. Hopefully it's in a long as well, right? I don't know. Let's go up here and take a look. Later. Later should be in a long, I'm assuming. Yeah, it's in a long as well, but not looking too shabby right now. High five. Nope, I don't want high five. I want mid. There we go. Mid. Okay. Always pullback though. Yep. Seems like it every time. It's just not moving today. It's a weird Monday morning. The market is just not like moving up or down as much as normal on a Monday after a holiday and the new year. It's just kind of sideways. Consolidating sideways for most of the day today, so it's weird. Sideways momentum, but hey, this is the Swag Show. What do you know? Thank you for being here. Anybody new? I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading. Using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. $500 for the first 21 days, $1,000 a month after that. If you want access to it, just email us and let us know. We'll see what NinjaTrader wants to do. It needs to break up and above 21,900 for it to continue up here. Having a hard time getting above 21,890. Has not yet closed above that. So we shall see. Need the big push up here. Big push up. Not down. We need to push up. Need to get to 21,930 ish. Something like that. I don't know where later's at, but if it got up there, we'd be happy. So okay, I will share that information with our trades desk for the NinjaTrader orders. For the other ones, you will need to request a review from Apex. Just give me a quick minute while I set up a case. Thank you. All right. It's in a downtrend. Sort of. On what time frame do you think it's in a downtrend? Just kind of hanging out. Just consolidating between 21,860 and 21,890. So a 30-point range. If you're playing the range, you could have made some money if you bought the low and sold the high, but not financial advice, just simply watching. So right here at 21,860, that's been the low. If it doesn't get below there, it's probably going to go back up. But if it breaks below there and retests at that level, then it might continue down. But right here is the turning point. We'll see if it can bounce off of that and continue up, or if it has the momentum to continue down. On the 1 minute, okay. I think I'm looking at a 5-minute chart. And for the past hour, it's been between 21,860 and 21,890. So a 30-point range for the past hour is nothing fun or nothing to trade or play with. It's messy, very difficult unless you're an experienced range trader. You can buy the low, sell the high, take your profit in between. We'll see. 21,860 still not breaking below it yet. We'll see if it bounces back up here or if it's going to continue down. I can't look at anything else because I'm on my chart that has all my other indicators, so I can't even tell you what volume's doing or anything else. But a little dip below there, down to 21,000. What was that? 859-ish. There's a big little quick, little quick dip below. You never know. Can it get below 50 though? Or will 50 hold it up and then it'll continue up? We cooked. Hold on now. Just hold on a minute. Is later even a play for today? Burberry, I don't even know if later is a play for today. Let me see. Did they change that? Later is a white play. So, yeah, it's a white play. Hopefully it moves back up here. If it can hold at 50 and bounce off that and move back up, we might be in good shape. Alright, well, that didn't really help much, but she said she's going to give it to their specialist to look into. But NinjaTrader can only see NinjaTrader trades, I guess. They can't see Apex trades, which I guess makes sense, but downtrend, I'm telling you. I believe you. I believe you. Luckily, I'm not in this live. I would have already cashed out if I was when I was up 400. But I believe you, Jets. But I'm just letting the algorithm do its thing. Showing you what it can and can't do. It can take a loss. Nothing's 100%. On the 20-minute chart, it does look like it's probably tweezer topped and moving back down. You are correct. So if you get a bounce from 50 here and get anywhere back up close, who knows how far down this thing is going to retrace and pull back. They could sell back 50% of this move up from this morning, which means it could go all the way back down to 21,760 area. It likes to come back to places of comfort, guys. You got to remember that. So, unfortunately for anybody in NQ later or now NQ mid, if you didn't take profit earlier, I'm sorry. You should have. I need a massage or something on my neck. Might have to go visit the local massage parlor. My neck is killing me. I think that's why I got a headache. But there's so much snow on the ground, I don't want to drive nowhere. 21,844 holding it. Let's see, where's that at? 21,844 right there. Yeah, it had this red candle over here, right about the same place. So that could be an area of interest that it might not be able to break down through 21,844. Could bounce from there and move back up. Hopefully for everybody in this trade and later. It's 11:50. Keep tapping that screen. We're only at 2,100 likes on a Monday. It's going up on a Monday. I don't know. Usually it's a Tuesday. It's going down on a Tuesday. Isn't that how the song goes? I don't know. Push this NQ back up, though. Let's go. Could have just been some pullbackage to look for more buyers down there. Short term, it might have been in a downtrend, but hopefully it's just a pullback, and we're going to go on back up here. We'll see what happens. Santa's flagging it here for a possible long if it can get up here. Let's see. Let's come over here to later. NQ later. Ooh, man, that was so close to stopping out on later. So it closed out green there. And then that's what put it in the trade. Okay, well, that's how it works. That's how the algorithm works. We'll see. Let's see if we can push back up here above 21,890 and finally get this move up that we were looking for. We need it on two of the different strategies for the range algorithm here. You're watching mid on TikTok, Santa and mid on YouTube. NQ later's in a trade as well. So we need it to move on up. Well, we're moving on up. Hopefully. We shall see. Back to football. Let's see. Penn State, Notre Dame. Who do you think's going to win that? If you say Penn State, you're banned. Just playing. And then Ohio State and Texas, right? Those are the final four teams in the college football. I would like to see Ohio State and Notre Dame. I'm a Notre Dame fan. I would like to see Notre Dame versus Ohio State. moly, stuck near a cliff. Oh no. That's my robot vacuum cleaner. It says it's stuck near a cliff. I don't have any cliffs in my house, so I don't know. It's crazy. Do, 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 do. Oh, should I make chili for myself today? That's what I'm wondering. It's an awful lot of food for just me. And then I'd be eating chili like every day this week for every meal. But I could invite my friends over. I don't have very many. Not very many left, but just don't trust too many people anymore nowadays. Been burned by too many people. Texas and Notre Dame. Yeah, it could be, but I don't know. Either way, as long as Notre Dame's there, that's what I'm rooting for. I don't think they should have a problem with Penn State. That's for sure. If they just beat Georgia, I don't think they should have an issue with Penn State. But you never know. Do, do, do. All right. We are stuck in a smaller range now. It's 21,850. It still has not gotten below there and closed there, but it's literally within, what is that? 866 and 21,850. So was that 16-point range? Tight. Not a lot of volume action right now. Jets Daniel still says that he thinks it's in a downtrend, so he might be right. This could be a downtrend. It just needs more volume and more sellers to step in and push it down below. But we want it to go up for all the people in NQ later and NQ mid. We want it to go up. Might close before it drops again. I don't know. Might just be, well, what's it looking like on this chart here? It got above it. The wick didn't quite get above it, but it's, I mean, I don't know. It's a tough one. It's a tough one what this market is going to do. If this is just a pullback, consolidation, bull flag, it could move back up. But if you don't find more buyers, it could just plummet. So watch out. Notre Dame has the edge because Texas lost to Georgia twice. Okay. High didn't pass the previous low. On that chart it did. But yeah, over here it did not. Just consolidation. Yeah, it's horrible. It's just been one of those crazy, horrible consolidation days after that move up. But I mean, there were big wick moves up and down this morning, and it did go up, but it was not as easy as it looks on a 15-minute chart. Even though it looks like, yeah, it was four green candles in a row, those were not easy candles. Those were up, down, up, down, up, down candles to get us up there. But yeah, it was crazy, crazy action today. And now it's just been consolidating for the past hour. 1 minute until noon. We'll see what the 12 o'clock 15-minute candle opens at. If it's going to go up or down or what's it going to do here. It's just frozen. Now it's frozen. It's not moving anywhere. Everybody just stopped trading. Oh, there it was. Holy crap. That was a quick, big move down. NQ later got stopped out. Yeah. Yeah. Jets Daniel wins. He was right. Here it comes. Pouring. It's going to come crashing down, it looks like. He's smarter than all of us today. Good job, Jets. I hope you... There you go. I was going to say, I hope you made your money. Made my 1.4. Very good, Jets. Congratulations. Even though we wanted it to go up, he was right. He called the down movement, and there it was. Big move down. We'll see how far down now. My prediction is they sell off all the way back to 21,760-ish area. Got to solve my puzzle. Hold on a minute. TikTok's giving me my puzzle for the day. Right at noon, like always. You can count on it. Should have ran ES new. It was green on Mondays. Yeah. Is ES new green on the spreadsheet for Monday? Let's see. What is it? No, it's white. Nothing's green on Mondays anymore. No, ES new's gray. She changed it. Go look at the updated spreadsheet. She changed everything around. Once again, she likes doing that. Congratulations, Mike, if you're still in here listening. Looks like he had a green day. That's great. Any green day is good, even if it's $50 per account, like I made today. I only made 40 because the stuff wasn't showing up, but congratulations to Jets.Daniel for making a 1.4K day, and anybody else that made money today. Good job. Stop when you're at your goal, swag. We'll see now if it wants to move back up. Who knows? This has just been a crazy market today. Crazy, crazy market. Looks like it was going to be a big move down, and then nope. We're just going to stop you right here at 21,000. What is that? 830, 835. Held a short for 30 minutes. It dropped as soon as I exited. I hate it when that happens, TikTok user. That is the worst. It's like, okay, if you're not going to move, I'm going to get out of the trade. And then as soon as you exit the trade, boom, it just does what you originally thought it was going to do. That's the worst. That's when you got to just shut it down and be done for the day. Because you're going to be so, well, me, maybe not you, but I'd be so pissed and frustrated about it. I would need to take a break. Especially holding it for that long. It's like you had the right feeling, you had the instinct, you had the right play. It just wasn't going. And then as soon as you exit, boom, it just drops. Oh, man. You know what else sucks? When you make the right trade and it shows up on your account moving your money, like it shows under unrealized P&L that I was in the trade. It was moving in green. I was green 200. My trail stop was moving. It was following it. Closed out about 200 green. I did that twice. Didn't show up on my profit. I don't know what the hell. I think there's major connection issues today with Trade of 8 and Apex or somebody, but somebody better figure something out real quick. Yeah, call it a day, buddy. You can come back tomorrow refreshed. No FOMO. Don't get in your head about it. At least you know that you made the right play. You know what I mean? You can take that away from it. You made the right call. It was the right play. It just didn't quite hold on to it long enough. But then look at that. I mean, it was a quick wick down, but then boom, they just bought it right back up. So you never know how far down they're going to bring this. It's just a weird day, yeah. Anything green is a good day, even if it's 40 or 50 bucks per account. I'm going to be happy with it. You can't I know I won more today, but I'm not going to be upset because there's nothing I can do about it. It was a connection issue, obviously, on somebody's part. And I put in my help desk tickets. That's all I can do. Hopefully they figure this shit out and they give me my money back. But I didn't lose anything, at least it looks like from right now. Everything's in the green. So we'll figure it out tomorrow. Mid is still in this trade, though. Later lost, but mid's still in it. We'll see if it can turn things around. Key number 1, Babe, sent a heart. Oh, well, thank you very much. I appreciate the gift. Thank you so much for the gift. I appreciate that. I hope you're having a fantastic day. ¿Cómo estamos, bro? ¿Cómo estás? Or estamos? I don't know what that means. How you doing, I think? I'm doing great. E2? Muy bien. Oh, babe, come on. Smells so good. The roses, all the gifts. You don't got to do all that. I appreciate it. Just tap the screen. Thank you very much. ¿Cómo estás? Is that what that means? How you doing? Now I got to use the translator to make sure my Spanish is correct. How are we doing, bro? Yeah, see, I knew I could speak some Spanish. We're doing good. No, I don't want to report anybody. I clicked on the wrong thing. You know you wouldn't have had an issue if you were losing a trade, right? It's me, Gold Cloud. Long time no see. Oh, man. How the heck have you been? Been good, man. Today's good day. It's Aldo. We're doing good today, bro. Even though we didn't get in. Well, we got in a trade, okay? Short recap. I took 2 manual trades. It showed me in the manual trades on my unrealized P&L. It closed out green for like $200 each time, but it didn't transfer over to my realized P&L. So I've got help desk tickets in with NinjaTrader, help desk tickets in with Apex. So hopefully they figure something out and give me my money that I won, but I don't know. I don't know what the heck's going on. Just weird issues today. Weird market today. A lot of weird price action movement today. I don't know. It's just a weird day. Weird Monday for the first, Monday of the year, right? Weird Monday for the first Monday of the year. That's for sure. Thank you for all the gifts, though, Gold Cloud. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. I hope everything is good. I hope you had a happy holiday. Happy holiday. Happy holiday season to you. All right, well, back up in this weird range. Once again, the top of it being right where it just rejected from. You can see the candlestick wicks right here. Look, the line is right there on top of it. 21, 866. I mean, if you were ever looking to take a scalp short, you know, I'm not saying you should, but that would have been a good place to just take a short right there and get a couple of points and be done. But right now, I wouldn't take it because this is the fourth time it's testing it. So I would not do it again. I'm just saying. If you would have done it over here and these three. Now, you never know. And it might reject off of it again. You just never know. What is the monthly cost to enter the group? It's $500 for the first 21 days and $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the donut. Yum, yum, yum. I'm not going to be an NPC, though. Unless I start making a lot of money doing that. Then I'll take off my clothes and do whatever. I'm just saying. There's a price for everything. But nobody wants to see that. Although there is that one guy on there that's like half naked, you know. And he just does weird NPC stuff. And he's... Anyway. There's a lot of girls that used to do that too. I don't know if they shut that down or what, but did they shut all those NPC girls down that were like half naked in hot tubs? Who knows? TikTok might be shut down soon anyway. You never know. What was the ruling on that? Are we going to get to keep TikTok in the U.S.? All right, Burberry. There's always tomorrow. There's a better day tomorrow. At least the MicroStrategy game plan, that should have only been one micro contract. And you only down 100, but it sucks, I know. But come on back. We'll make it up tomorrow. Hopefully the market moves a little bit better tomorrow instead of this weird sideways consolidation action. Big wicks. So, will you make any tickets today? Yeah, I made tickets. Help desk tickets for sure. He's holding off. You can't tell me I'm right on the up now. It's not going lower though. That's the weird thing. It's just stuck. It's just stuck there in this range. Disney or Microsoft is thinking of buying TikTok? Huh. I wouldn't put it past Meta or Facebook or somebody like that, but I guess they have their own live platforms, but that's weird. I don't know why Disney would want to buy it. Just seems odd. Well, if you took the short here at 866, congratulations, you just made 16 points. So I'm not telling you should have, but you could have if you were paying attention. Shorted at 866, 867, and now we're down to 50. So that's like 16, 17 points. Meta can't buy it. Because they have their own live thing through Facebook, I guess, or whatever. Gotcha. I figured that. Yeah, Trusty. Yep. Let me Let me double check what I got you down for. 12:20 my time, 1:20ish, 1:30, 1:30 Eastern. Whatever's good for you. I just have one before you, right after I hop off of here, so I can message you when I'm done with that one. If you're going to be available, we can do it earlier and get it knocked out. Thursday, no trading on Thursday for the passing of former President Jimmy Carter. So, is 2 good? 2 Eastern? Yeah, that's fine. 2 Eastern is fine. I will put it on my calendar here real quick. Update myself. You want to do 2 o'clock Eastern time. All right, so that would be 1 o'clock my time. Save. All right, got you down. Got you down. I got to get some lunch in me here shortly. I've got 1 Zoom call, 2 Zoom calls, double bottoms. Double bottoms means it goes up, right? Let's see, where are we at? Where's double bottom at? Here and here? I don't know. Here. Maybe here and here? I don't know. It looks like it's going back down now. You might be right, Jets. Who knows? It's 1 mini. 1 mini. No problem. You're welcome, Trust. It looked like a double bottom on a smaller time frame, maybe, but not on a bigger time frame. Thanks, Gold Cloud. I appreciate you, man. I'm live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading, guys. If you want to come on back now, you're here. I'll be here tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel. I'm on YouTube and TikTok for right now. Might add back in Twitch. I don't know. Didn't seem to be getting a lot of viewers on Twitch, so we might just stick with TikTok and YouTube until we figure out what's going on with TikTok. Hopefully it sticks around. Gold is still in a trade. It might be. Like I said, I had to flatten all my positions just to make sure that nothing was frozen when my stuff wasn't showing up on my live accounts. So I had to flatten everything and cancel it. But if it is, hopefully it's green. Good deal, good deal. Yeah, I had everything on sim as well, but I had to flatten it, like I said. Hello. Husband and I are going to sign up for the day for the bot. Awesome, Jamie. Awesome. It's $500 for the first 21 days, $1,000 a month after that. Start out with the $3,000 cash account, make $2,000 a month. You can put $1,000 toward the bot, $500 to build your buffer, and $500 into prop firm accounts. And just rinse and repeat. Keep doing that month after month for 3 or 4 months. And then you can start getting paid out from the prop firms and your cash account. And then you might be able to size up a little bit and make $3,000 the next month on each account. So trust the process. Up $2,200 on my PAs for I think 15 or 16 trading days. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more evals with Apex. I've got a top step and a take profit. I don't have any Tradeifys right now. I busted those, unfortunately, but I'm gonna look for. I'm gonna look into buying a couple of more Tradeify accounts once I get paid out. So the standard algorithms are range or box seats, and then you get runner and scalper. They take like a set amount of goals each day. They have most of them have certain stop losses and take profits. And then the premium are a little more robust. They can take a lot of trades per day, bigger sizes of wins, but have more drawdowns. So you want to kind of watch them. So, yeah. Just hit my goal. What goal is that, right? Your daily goal? Good job. Good job, good job. So, Jamie, I hope that kind of helps explain it. The premium, you get access to all the algorithms. There's about 8 algorithms, about 50 different strategies inside of those, and they're just different size trades with bigger risk, bigger reward sometimes, not always, but you can, like Big Bang, I've seen it in an $8,000 trade before. So, but it can have big drawdowns as well. I've seen it in $1,000 trade and then close out at 300 profit. So that's $700 in drawdown at 8 up. So you got to be careful. But 1K today on evaluation, trying to pass 50K evaluation in 3 days. There you go, Ray. There you go. I'm just going slow and steady with mine. Since the $85 activation fee is locked in, I don't need to pass it right away. I do have 4 live accounts. I want to get paid out from them first before I give Apex any more money, basically. So I need payouts from all 4 of my PAs. So hopefully by the end of this month, I'll have enough in there to withdraw. Even if it's $500 from each one, that's $2,000. So I'm looking forward to doing that at the end of January, hopefully withdrawing from all 4 of my PA accounts. And yeah, then I'll buy some Tradeify accounts and I will activate the rest of the Apex accounts, hopefully, if I have passed the eval by then. I did get 2 of the $250,000 accounts from Apex, just because why not? They're the same price and I can size up on them, make $400 or $500 a day on them. That would be nice once those become PAs. So you can definitely size up quite a bit on those. Even if I made $500 a day on both of those, that's $1,000 a day. And then once I build my buffer up on those to be able to take a withdrawal, that would be really nice. So yeah. I bought like 10 50Ks and 4 250s. And now I'm down to 2 250s and 4 50s on the evals. So I've got 6 evals, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 6 evals, 4 50s and 2 250s. That's all I got left. Because I was going crazy. I was trying to YOLO it and pass it in one day, but that's what you get when you try and do that shit. You bust a lot of them. NQ props in a trade, but it's down 200. Mid, almost hit its. I blew my 25K. I hope it was just an eval. Those 25Ks, yeah, I mean, you know, those are tough because there's not a lot of room in those things if you're trying to go fast. I mean, you could pass it in one trade or you could bust it in one trade, really. All right. I'm going to get off here for today, guys. I will be back tomorrow. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out with me today, but I've got some Zoom calls to do, and I got to get some lunch in me. See if this headache will go away. Oh, it was a PA? Damn, Ray. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, you definitely can only go 1 micro on any type of strategy on a 25K. And just slowly build that puppy up. But we will be back tomorrow. Until then, be warm, be safe, be humble. I will see you later on to those that have Zooms with you. And yeah, I'll be back mañana. Hopefully the market will be a little bit smoother and the connection issues will be worked out. So until then, stay safe, be warm, tell somebody you love them. And I will see ya mañana. All right, peace.